Good morning, class. Today we are going to do some close read questions.
Excuse me, teacher. May I use the restroom?
No, you may not, Caillou.
But I really have to go.
Caillou, we are gonna begin a test. You will stay here.
Please let me go, or I will have to use the bathroom here instead.
Sit right back down right now, Caillou. Oh. Caillou, how dare you poop on me? That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
Caillou, what brings you here into my office?
I pooped in class.
Caillou, how dare you poop in class? That's it. You're suspended for a month. I'm calling your parents. Caillou, how dare you poop in class? That's it. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.